In this calming meditation journey, my aim is to be right there with you, helping you uncover a positive mindset and sharpen your focus amid the hustle and bustle of packing. First, lie down in a quiet space where you can fully immerse yourself in this journey. Begin by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow your body to relax with each breath, releasing any tension you may be carrying. Close your eyes and let your imagination take flight. Picture yourself in a serene garden, surrounded by vibrant flowers and the gentle rustle of leaves. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and listen to the distant sounds of nature. As you stand in this peaceful garden, visualize a suitcase by your side. This suitcase is only for the joyous moments of your journey. Now, imagine stepping onto a path that leads you to a tranquil beach. Picture the soft sand beneath your feet and the rhythmic melody of waves breaking on the shore. Feel a gentle breeze on your face as you take in the vastness of the horizon. Continue walking along the beach and notice a peaceful cove ahead. Visualize yourself sitting on a comfortable beach chair, listening to the soothing sounds of the waves. Take a moment to absorb the tranquility, allowing it to wash away any lingering stress. As you breathe in deeply, visualize a hot air balloon rising in the distance. Now, picture yourself climbing aboard, then gently rising higher, feeling the breeze of the sky. From above, observe the landscape below, the city's layout, the Gulf waters, and the distant mountains. Feel the freedom of the open sky. Take a moment to appreciate the world and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead on your travels. Now, slowly guide your hot air balloon back to the peaceful garden where we began. As you land, allow yourself to let go of any worries about forgetting things or feeling unprepared. Instead, focus on the joy and excitement of the adventure that lies ahead. Now, bring your awareness to the task at hand, packing. Visualize your suitcase in the garden and imagine it as a vessel for positive thoughts and organized planning. Envision each item finding its perfect place, creating a harmonious balance within your suitcase. Feel the weight of stress lifting as you mentally arrange your belongings. Picture the ease with which everything fits, like pieces of a puzzle falling into place effortlessly. Embrace the calming energy as you prepare for your journey ahead. Inhale. Exhale. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of tranquility, focus and positivity from this journey back into your present moment. Thank you for taking this moment for yourself. May your suitcase be filled with love. If you found this guided meditation helpful or have additional thoughts, share them in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more from Merida Magic. See you in the next video.